Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the benefit of Gsuite for your business and why we use it. Hi, my name is Andy. I'm in the internet marketing since the last 2 years. And on my YouTube channel, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you want to keep learning about internet marketing, affiliate marketing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. What is Gsuite? Gsuite is a Google suite of intelligent apps. This was formerly known as Google Apps till it was rebranded in late 2016. We primarily recommend Gsuite for clients that are needing email hosting for their business. However, Gsuite is much more than just email. It also includes a variety of apps and features that can come in quite handy. In fact, you're probably already using or familiar with some of them. Gsuite has 3 different plans you can choose, of which we will dive into a little bit later on. We utilize the basic Gsuite plan for our employees. These start at just $5 per user per month. For many of you, with basic plan is probably all you will ever need. Here what is included. A professional email address is one that has your business name in it. For example, andy@projectofmylife.com is a professional email address. Email accounts on free email service like andy@gmail.com are not good for business because they do not look professional. Your customer and other businesses will find a professional email address more trustworthy. For a professional email address, you will need a domain name and a website. If you already have a domain name and a website, then you are all set to have your own professional email address with Gsuite. Why use Gsuite for professional branded email address? You might be thinking, why use Gsuite when most WordPress hosting companies offers unlimited email account, your own domain name? Email is one of the most important communication tools for business owners. So if you miss as an important email, then it can hurt your business. Most web hosting email servers are unreliable and then restrictive, isolated, and less secure. You wouldn't even know if the email you sent was actually delivered. This is where Gsuite and Gmail comes in. Gmail. According to Litmus, Gmail leads the way as the most popular email client with a whopping 26% of the market share based on open rates. It's no surprise as Gmail has been around since 2004 and now have over 1.2 billion users. One of the best things about Gsuite is you basically get an enhanced ad-free version of the online email client you're probably already using. Gsuite essentially allows your employees to have their own Gmail account with email address with your business domain name. Again, like an example, andy@projectofmylife.com. A very small business with 1 or 2 users might be able to get away with free Gmail accounts and some alias plus forwarding rules. But once you start hiring 2 or 3 employees, you will find yourself needing accounts that can be managed separately. Google Calendar. None of us could live without Google Calendar. Many of us rely on it for scheduling calls with clients and setting due dates and reminders for important projects. So Google Calendars can help you keep your schedule organized. One of the great things about using Google Calendar in Gsuite is the ability to create multiple calendars that are accessible to everyone in your company or even a subset of users. For example, you might want a group calendar for events like team holidays or regular meetings. Having all employees attached to the same organization makes tasks like these even easier when compared to the free version. Google Drive. Google Drive allows you to store, access, and share your files in one secure place. You then have easy access to all your files from any device. Gsuite basic plans come with 30 GB of storage for every employee. Gsuite Business, Enterprise, and Teams Edition, it provides unlimited storage, so you will always have enough space for your files. Note that if you have a smaller team with fewer than 5 users, then you will only get 1 TB per user. If you haven't used Google Drive before, one of the best things we like about Google Drive is the amazing search functionality. Although it's probably not too surprising, as they also run the largest search engine in the world. So did you know that you can search based on the content within the document, regardless the file name? That's pretty handy. This means that you can easily find what you're looking for no matter how disorganized you are. The paid version of Google Drive gives you twice the storage of your free personal drive and Gmail, and also 24/7 support and sharing controls and advanced reporting. Google Docs and Google Sheets. Google Docs and Google Sheets pretty much speaks for themselves, and again, the tools that we use every single day. This allows you to create and edit text documents and spreadsheets right in your browser. Import your documents to make them instantly editable, including Microsoft Word, Excel, and PDF files. All right. As of February 2018, you can now even collaborate and comment on Microsoft Office files without having to automatically convert to Google's format. You can also export to common third-party formats. This makes it easy to collaborate with other individuals or companies and send files back and forth without ever needing to install or purchase additional software. Note, Google Docs and Spreadsheet created directly in G Suite don't count towards your storage limit. That's the good thing. Here are just a few of the common tasks we use them for. Getting feedback and comments from your team members on new website content, and then working with guest bloggers on content for our blog, sending content to others when we writing on third-party sites. We have never had anyone in the past couple of years request a Word document. Everyone always requests for a Google Docs now. Why? Because it's just super simple and easy to use. Crunching spreadsheet data from Ahrefs exports, running quick financial figures, keeping track of PPC budget and online advertising copy variation, analyzing CTR change or click-through rate as it pertains to search engine result page, and then writing up content for paid sponsorship or WordCamps. One of the best features of Google Docs and Spreadsheets is the real-time commenting and unlimited version. Previous versions are kept indefinitely and they don't count toward your storage. This makes it super easy to track change that has been made to a document or undo a mistake. Sharing documents with your coworkers to other individuals is also incredibly easy. Google Keep. Google Keep seems to be one of those well-kept secrets that's nobody known about. If you're looking for a basic Evernote alternative, Google Keeps is a rock. This is a great little tool regardless of whether or not you're using G Suite. Being a Google product, it works flawlessly within the Google ecosystem. It can be an easy way to keep those frequently asked questions that you get from your customers in a convenient place. Create to-do lists, notes, and set reminders to stay on track. Everything syncs across your device, so what's important is always in reach. Easily share them with your team and archive them, when you're done. And once again, Google search works flawlessly with it. Gsuite Admin Console. The admin console for Gsuite allows business owners easily manage everything from one single place. It got an overall recently and is a lot better than it was previous with Google Apps. Do everything from adding new users and groups, manage devices, configure security settings like two-factor authentication, add new custom domains for your business, which can be used for Gmail. And most all of the features in Gsuite have to be enabled by the administrator in order to be used. Some of these are also only available in higher plans. If a feature is not enabled and a user tries to access it, then they will see not available message in the browser. Alright friends, so in this video I've explained the benefits of Gsuite for your business and why we use it. So if you want to build a successful affiliate marketing business in a professional way, you can find the link also in the description below. If you find the information in this video is helpful, please like this video. If you have any question, you can also comment below. I will try to answer all your questions. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please watch my other two videos here. It will help you to learn more about affiliate marketing, internet marketing. You have a lovely day and I'll see you in the next video.